Okay, so today we're going to talk about the Dexter Russell sheep skinner, or the Dexter Russell Green River sheep skinner. It's got a 5¼ inch blade. It's 10¼ inches overall. It's high carbon steel. This company's been around since 1818. It's made in America. And at some point, Dexter Russell and Green River had a merger. And the reason I'm showing this is because we were talking about the Nessmuk and the Kephart knives, and I feel like this is a good example of what would be considered a Nessmuk style knife, just because of the long stretching belly, the long sweeping belly on it, and the hump on the back, to where when you're skinning game, you don't have to worry about, or you don't have to worry as much about when you're going up and opening it up like a zipper from the inside. You don't have to worry about puncturing those entrails and stuff and running the meat. If you look close, you can see it doesn't even have a very sharp tip on it. It's rounded off right there. And you feel right here, and there's not a lot of edges. It's very smooth around there. So I feel like this is a good representation of what would be considered a Nessmuk style knife that he described in his Nessmuk trio. So let's take it outside and take a look. Okay, so we're back outside with it. It's the Dexter or Green River sheep skinner. And it's kind of a Nessmuk style with that hump in it, that upswept blade. So we're gonna see what we can do with some wood on it. Okay, it'll split a little bit. Let's try some feathers and see how it does with that. There we go. Once you find that angle, you can feel it starting to lock in and do what it's supposed to. There we go. Okay, not bad, not bad. I don't think it's going to scrape very well though, just because it's not really doesn't really have a heavy, noticeable 90-degree grind on the spine. Yeah, it's negligible with that. Let's see if it'll scrape a ferrule rod. Yeah, about nothing. But you could remedy that with a file or with a nice flat rock or something like that. But I really like the handle, and I really like the way that it locks into your hand when you hold it that way, or when you're bearing down on it like this. I like that it's got this bird's, or I think it's called a bird's beak pommel, and that just fits my hand absolutely perfect in a number of grips. And that's the Dexter Green River sheep skinner, made in America. I really like the steel too. This thing takes an edge like you just wouldn't believe. I mean, this thing, you barely put it to some porcelain or to some like a fine stone, and it gets hair popping sharp real quick. So check them out.